Good morning, 6:50. I woke up, the kids excited about the first day of football practice. So we're gonna do a quick Dutch baby here. 2 tablespoons of butter in their skillet, throw it in the preheating oven till melted. All right, here I'm organizing the ingredients for you. Bing, bang, boom, pow. 4 things to mix up. Here we go, still thinking about my life as it's this early in the morning. All right, here's stove, 4 eggs. Check out the neighbors for a second. This is 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour mixed with 1 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 milk, and in my I Love My Wife cup, melted butter. All right, gonna put some vanilla in, but well, let's take a sip of coffee. Dash of vanilla. Just a little bit. All right, and you're gonna blend this until smooth, about 30 seconds to a minute. Here, I forgot to show you, I poured the batter into the hot skillet and stuck it in the oven. I'm sorry. 20 minutes. Here, I pull out the Dutch baby. As you can see, it's pretty fluffy and browned. All right, so I took another 2 tablespoons of butter, melted it, and I'm kind of go over everything, give it a little bit of a butter bath. Once I finish all the butter, I'm gonna go back with a little cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cinnamon mixture, and kind of just coat it, a dusting around of it. Give a little sweetness to the Dutch baby. These have a really crispy crust around the outside, and then down at the bottom where it kind of flattens out to be like a pizza when you cut it, it has kind of an egg custard texture. But kids really like it for breakfast, and it's easy to do. All right, once I finished the dusting of the cinnamon sugar, I took my silicone brush and kind of just moved it around a little bit, helped move the butter around to have it ready to eat. And that's it. This is a Dutch baby. Hope you've enjoyed, and make it. Let me know what you think.